Hi guys, that thing has fallen, so I'm going to click on rise there. Hi guys, this is Matthew again. You can see I click on rise there. When that red this thing drop down, when it drops down, I click on rise. We are trading the rise fall today, and with a new strategy, and we are trading the bear market index, and the tick is set to 1 minute. It's 1 minute. So let's, before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, is it boats again? The boat works on deriv and binary.com. Just visit www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. Here are some of the recent results of this boat. As you can see, today is the 4th of November 2020. You can see it's all green here. You can see this binary.com interface and this deriv interface right here. You can see today 4th November 2020, the boat is still very active, and the version 4.1 is out already. We have 3 seconds left here. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade. You can see we won that trade right there. We won that trade. Let's close this one. We won that trade. So I'm going to be explaining this strategy to you. You might encounter some losses, but when you trade again, you're going to make profit, and you have to be patient. This has to drop down toward this level before you click on rise. So let's get back to this URL again. So this is a link again to purchase the boat, www.touchscalper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng, and this is a link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, we're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. Just use this link to sign up for a free trading account, and this is the link to subscribe to our channels. Just hit the subscribe button. We paste all this in the video description on YouTube. Just hit the subscribe button to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. So let's get back to the trading. I've logged in. I'm using the deriv.com interface, and I'm using the D trader. So at the top left corner, you're going to change this to D trader. Once you change that to D trader, then the trade type, you're going to choose the bear market index as the bear market index under the static indices. Go to bear market index, just scroll down, you will see it right here. So once you get there, you set the indicator. We are using the Bollinger Bands indicator. It's under the volatility, so you are going to click on volatility, then you click on Bollinger Bands for you to see this. Then you are going to be trading the rise fall, but actually we're going to be trading the rise here. So set the minutes to 1 minute. You click on minute, you change this to 1 minute, then you change this to stake, then you enter your stake. I'm going to be entering 10 USD here. So I've already entered it. You enter your stake right here. So once this thing drops down, we are going to click on rise. So you have to wait, you have to watch carefully. We are going to trade just 1 or 2 times so that we can move to the next strategy. So once it drops down, we are going to click on rise. So you have to wait, you have to watch it. It has to drop down. We are watching the edge here. It has to drop down. So once it drops down, you are going to click on rise. So you can see it's dropping down. Okay, so for it to go down a bit. Once it drops down, and the red has to be down, it has to be down. It has to cross this line. You can see there are 3 lines, this one, and this one. So the red has to cross this line, this last one, and it has to drop down before we click on rise. So you can see that red. You can see it has crossed it, so let's wait for it to go down a bit. As it's going up again, so you have to wait. Because we are making more profit here, so you have to watch carefully. So let's wait for it to drop down. We are working with this middle, this line, this one. Once it drops down and cross this line, we are going to click on rise. You can see it has dropped down there. We click on rise there. So we have to watch the outcome. We have 53, 51 seconds left. So we have to watch. See, we still have like 30 seconds left. this. Leave only the active one. So we are close. 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds. Okay. So as you can see, we won that trade. You can see we won that trade. Our profit is 9.82 USD. So if you watch again, you have to wait for this thing to drop down. You have to wait for this thing to drop down before you click on rise. So we are going to proceed to the next strategy now. So just make sure you watch carefully. And for those who haven't purchased the boat, this is the boat again, the TOUCHSCALPER boat. Just visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng. These are some of the results of the boats. Today is 4th November 2020. Here are some of the results on binary.com, and here are some of the results on deriv.com interface. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.